Hi trader, this is Mario from Forex Other Way, the channel for traders run by a trader. In today's video I'll show you a method how you can determine future turning points with very high accuracy. So let's start the rock and roll. As you might know, geometrical relations from the past have got impact on future behavior of the market. Knowing what market did in the past, you can predict in this way with a very high accuracy the future turning points, the future behavior of the market. So let's go to the chart and I'll show you what I mean by that. Very simple method, very easy. First thing what I want to tell is, first thing you have to do with this method, you have to block the chart. What's happening here? At the moment, I got this chart blocked. Simply on properties of the chart on common, you mark on fixed scale over here. I uncheck it at the moment and I'll show you when you put whatever line over here and you start moving it here and there, you know, it adjusts in a very funny way. So I'm trying to avoid it, so let me get rid of this line and fix it again. So fix the scale, here we go. That's what's happening here. Now I can make it smaller and try to find the way what I'm trying to show you in this moment. Let's make it a little bit bigger. Here we go. That's our chart, Euro USD daily. Today is 15th of May 2020, so that's the situation on Euro USD. We are roughly in the area of big turmoil. Probably, I presume the market might drop here because it's 13, not for sure. But on 13, 12 it started retrograding of Venus and other astronomical events. You may check it on my other videos. At the moment, I wanted to show you this situation, how you can predict the market. Here we go. How you can predict the future behavior of the market. So let's predict we got such a situation as such. You see here, the market from here made a local top. We are on a daily, I remind you. It's quite a big run. Is 530 pips difference between top and bottom, so it's the range of this move, which started somewhere in June 2019 and lasted till 1st October 2019. Let's presume at the moment we are in such a situation and we don't know what the market is going to do. Well, obviously, first obvious thing is when you draw a resistance line, which is not the trend line but resistance line. So as you see, the market has respected this line and just went through. This line was broken. It's not resistance anymore. Now it has become support, as you might see here. The market tried to come back under this line but managed to stay above. So we might presume that the market might start rising, but how much and when is it going to make local turn? Let's try it. Alright, let's get rid of this line again. We got the chart blocked, is fixed, scale is fixed. So first thing, what you have to do in such a situation? Obviously, we are marking a line, local top, because we are just thinking where this market is going to go. Is it going to come back or not? Obviously, you can put the Fibonacci retracements whatsoever. This method has got nothing to do with it. Next thing, we draw a line. That's the line. From the very bottom, we draw it over here. If we draw it over here, this is the first stop. But what is important here, already the market made this stop still being under this resistance line. So this stop is not valid. We have to get the first stop over this resistance line, which is this one. And here we go. Let's try to do it this way somehow. Did we manage to do it? Yes, we did, more or less. More or less. Let's say it's like that. Exactly. So we got the first one. So we are somewhere here. We don't know still what market is going to do. We can also draw a line, as I told in one of my previous videos, on the bottom over here. And let's see what's gonna happen. Let's go further. So the market made a top, made a correction. It's going to go further down or not? Not. It stopped on this line, and probably here at this candle you see the line get crossed. The line get crossed over here. This one on this cross over here, it should be a signal that the market might reverse. Let's make a line over here and let's go a little bit further. Boom. As you see, the market made a local top, crossed this line. So, next step, this line, now the bottom is here, not here. Let's move it here. We move the bottom up to here, and let's see what's gonna happen later on. It seems the market, we don't know what's going to do. It didn't come back to the top from June or July 2019, but now we got such a situation. The market is approaching here again the top. The lines cross again. Not yet, but you might realize that somewhere over here on this cross, more or less, it was a local correction. Next thing, what we can draw over here, the next line from the bottom, we can draw through the last top, which is this one, and by confluence it covers with this top, which seems to be valid. Let's draw another one over here as well, on the extreme bottom, which is here. Let's see what's gonna happen. We go further, nothing happening yet. We got local tops and bottoms, and boom, we've got another sign, another market reversal which occurred over here. What is very important, this reversal seems to be with double confirmation. First thing first, as you may see, the market moved between those two lines long time, and after it broke it came back, but it came back exactly at the cross over here, which happened recently. And let's see what happened here. Here what happened we already know. We might draw another line here. Look, let's do another line. And let's see what's going to happen next. Those lines got their crossing point somewhere far in the future. But as a basic idea, I just shown you this way how you can easily find it. Let's have a butcher's when it's going to happen. Look, it's here somewhere. I assure you, on 15th of July 2020, it will be a turning point. Not major. I'm not saying it will be a major one. I'm saying it will happen for sure. It will be a couple of pips to do on this turning point. Same story goes the other way. You can check it at home on your demo account and you'll see it really works. watch my other videos. Thanks very much for watching and take care of yourself. Bye-bye.